Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, confirm you meet prerequisites, level, caps, and crafting perks, then head directly to the high-tier vendors. Once at Whitespring or Foundation, check the rare vendor inventory and clothing sections. Secret Service Underarmor often appears as a vendor drop or limited stock. If you don't see it, make short vendor hops. Fast travel, open vendor, relog, and repeat. Make sure to keep spare caps for multiple attempts and to clear inventory space for immediate purchase. Once done with vendor cycling, expand to player economy and enemy farming. You should check player vendors in Fallout markets and the trade chat. Many players list Secret Service Underarmor for caps or barter. Simultaneously, run high-level areas and public events where unique clothing or schematics drop. Clear quickly, loot, and vendor hop to convert unwanted drops into caps for purchase. Make sure to compare prices. Sometimes a quick trade or community Discord sale saves hours. Finish by purchasing and securing the Underarmor. Equip or move it to your stash right away so it isn't lost on death or vendor scans. If you still can't find it, escalate. Switch servers, visit alternate vendors at Foundation, Whitespring, and Morgantown, and check player shops. If things go wrong, relog and clear temporary client cache, then re-attempt vendor hops. Make sure you have enough caps and inventory space before each try so you don't miss a rare listing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.